Hello, welcome back. Today we will see the role of a cloud engineer, building the digital skyline. Introduction. In the modern digital landscape, where information flows as freely as the air we breathe, cloud engineers stand as the architects of the virtual sky, shaping the infrastructure that underpins our interconnected world. These professionals play a pivotal role in the development and maintenance of cloud-based systems, ensuring they are not only functional but also secure, scalable, and optimized for peak performance. Responsibilities of a cloud engineer. 1. Cloud infrastructure design. One of the primary responsibilities of a cloud engineer is to design cloud infrastructure that meets the needs of the organization. This involves selecting the right cloud services, configuring networks, and creating a scalable and cost-effective architecture. 2. Deployment and maintenance. Cloud engineers are tasked with deploying applications and services on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They ensure that everything runs smoothly, monitor performance, and apply patches and updates as necessary. 3. Security and compliance. Ensuring the security of cloud resources is paramount. Cloud engineers implement security measures, set up firewalls, and monitor for suspicious activities. They also work to maintain compliance with industry regulations. 4. Automation and orchestration. Automation is at the heart of cloud computing. Cloud engineers use tools like Terraform, Ansible, or AWS CloudFormation to automate the provisioning and management of cloud resources, reducing manual work and increasing efficiency. 5. Scalability and optimization. As traffic and data volumes fluctuate, cloud engineers ensure that the infrastructure scales accordingly. They optimize resource utilization to minimize costs while maintaining performance. 6. Disaster recovery and backup. Planning for disaster recovery is essential. Cloud engineers set up backup and recovery strategies to ensure data and applications can be restored quickly in case of an outage or data loss. 7. Collaboration and communication. Cloud engineers often work closely with cross-functional teams, including developers and system administrators. Effective communication and collaboration are key to successful cloud projects. 8. Cost management. Managing cloud costs is a critical responsibility. Cloud engineers monitor resource usage and implement cost-saving measures, such as reserved instances or spot instances. 9. Continuous learning. Cloud technology evolves rapidly. Cloud engineers stay up to date with the latest trends and certifications, ensuring they are equipped to leverage new features and services. Conclusion. Cloud engineers are the architects of the digital world, responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the cloud infrastructure that powers our connected lives. Their roles are diverse, encompassing everything from security to automation, scalability to cost management. As the cloud continues to evolve, these professionals will remain at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of digital architecture. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please do comments, subscribe to this channel. See you again with new videos. Have a great day.